Hey there, what's up? So today we will discuss about embryonic development in dicot plants. As we discussed the mostly, so we continued from the previous lecture. So in previous lecture we just reach there that there is a embryonic structure look like this in a dicot plant. So we reach there and there is a suspensor cells. There is a haustorium. Okay, so already discussed that these again this is a terminal cell which is now is known as proembryo. Okay, so now this proembryo is form some of the structure like upper cells form plumule and cotyledons. लोअर हाइपोकोटाइल, ठीक है, अपर हाइपोफाइसिस रूट कोर्टेक्स, लोअर रूट कैप एंड रूट टिप, root tip. So that's all. So now we discuss that there are some shapes that observed during the embryonic development of a dicot. So this look like globular structure. After this division continue and this structure change into some other structure like this. So we just draw this is a proembryo and now it divide like this. It divide like this and lower four cells make root cap and root tip and rest of the cell degenerate. So this fills. So like this we also fill this because there are a mass division occur in all direction. So look like this, okay? And when we fill this, so and here is a plumule and these are two cotyledons. These are two cotyledons. And because there is a dicot, this is a dicot plant, so there are two cotyledons. There is a plumule, there are root cap and root tip and root cortex. Okay, this is hypocotyle. So now this look like heart shape. Okay. So the next structure embryo took place. So it is a heart shape and then there are some bending of cotyledons. Bending of cotyledons with this. So there are bending of cotyledons and rest remains same. So this two cotyledons bend this side and they will give it a horseshoe shape. So in exam, ठीक है, in exam it can be asked that trace the structure appeared, ठीक है, in dicot embryo in chronological order, कि chronological order में जिस तरीके से शेप appear होती है डाइकोट एम्ब्रियो में उसको ट्रेस करो। तो सबसे पहले होगा जो एम्ब्रियो जो शेप लेगा वो लेगा ग्लोबुलर शेप, देन उसके बाद जो बनेंगी वो होंगी हार्ट शेप और उसके बाद होंगी होर्शू शेप। तो फिर पहले जो ग्लोबुलर है वो ऑटोमेटिकली जो हम जिस तरीके से बनाई थी, और जो हार्ट शेप बनेगी वो किस तरीके से, बिकॉज देयर इज अ मास डिवीजन इन ऑल डायरेक्शन एंड इट डिवाइड लाइक दिस, ठीक है। एंड जो नेक्स्ट होगा टू आर ड्यू टू द बेंडिंग ऑफ टू कोटिलेडोन्स। सो थैंक यू वेरी मच, हैव अ नाइस डे।